All right, so if your battery is old as mine, you're gonna need one of these in the future, right? Now, this is very simple to use. You guys can see you have your negative and your positive that you have to induct into here. You have to connect in here. Now, in order to make it work, you gotta disconnect this part of it and actually plug this part of it in here as a puzzle piece, all right? Once it plugs in, all you gotta do is charge it. All you gotta do is turn it on and charge it. That's all you got to do. You get a couple of charges, all right? Right now we're more than halfway of battery life. Now this thing not just a charging station, is actually a much more. It actually it has a LED lights, if you can see in the front, and you can also charge other devices in here too. It's charging two devices and out charging in and charging out. That's pretty much it. Type C, it comes with a Type C to Type A connection, so you could charge this device itself. Now you could use this as a portable device to charge your device like your phone or your tablets, or like I said, in case of emergency, you break down on the side of the road, you got your light, you got your charging station, and you get set to go. Now this thing does not tell you how much voltage you have. It just helps you out, give you a jump start. I've used this so much time, not for me, but for others that are on the side of the road. And then next thing you know, there's like, hey, where did you get this? This is something that's available for anybody. In case, I always keep one or two in my car, to be honest with you, because they had come in handy, not just for the car, but like I said, charging my other devices.